Ever found yourself wondering why dealing with menopause symptoms can seem like such an uphill battle? Why finding natural remedies to alleviate these symptoms feels like searching for a needle in a haystack? Well, fear not. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of herbs, exploring their unique properties and how they can help manage menopause symptoms. Our first stop is the sunny fields of St. John's wort. Known for its sunny yellow flowers, this herb is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling mood swings and depression associated with menopause. The active ingredients in St. John's wort work to balance the brain's neurotransmitters, helping to lift your mood and reduce anxiety. So next time menopause has you feeling down, remember St. John's wort might just be the sunshine you need. Now let's wade into the refreshing waters of our next herb, watercress. This aquatic plant is a nutrient-dense powerhouse known to reduce hot flashes, one of the most common and uncomfortable symptoms of menopause. Watercress's high content of phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen, can help balance hormone levels, making hot flashes less frequent and intense. Moving on, we find ourselves in the shadowy forest with black cohosh. This tall, flowering plant has been used for centuries by Native Americans to treat women's health issues. Its root contains substances that act similarly to serotonin, helping to reduce hot flashes and improve sleep quality. Black cohosh is a natural sleep aid that can help you catch those elusive zzzs during menopause. Next, we find flax, a crop with a history dating back to ancient Egypt. These little seeds are packed with lignans, compounds that act as weak estrogens, which can be beneficial in managing menopause symptoms. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to boost mood and support heart health. So, if menopause is taking a toll on your mood or heart, flax might be the answer you're looking for. Last, but certainly not least, we journey to the roots of the licorice plant. Licorice root is a popular herb used in traditional medicine for its potential to help balance hormone levels. It contains compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen, which can help alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. In summary, nature has provided us with a bounty of herbs to help manage the symptoms of menopause. St. John's wort can brighten your mood, watercress can cool hot flashes, black cohosh can improve sleep, flax can boost mood and heart health, and licorice root can balance hormones. So next time menopause symptoms strike, remember the solution might just be found in the garden.